Let's look at the performance of the last 1 or 2 months as far as LIC mutual fund, the equity part is concerned. What are the fresh positions that LIC mutual fund has taken in the equity space, and where have positions increased? I have data for the month of September and October. Banks is something that you have really increased your positions in. All the 4 top private sector banks, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak and Axis, including State Bank of India. What is the logic on being long on both the PSU and the private sector banks at this point of time?
Obviously, NPA cycle we see almost lowest in last 10 years. The credit quality has improved, and the sector valuations actually very attractive compared to last 3 years, and the sector has not performed. And we see some pickup in credit growth. Is largely driven by consumption demand, not exactly industrial or corporate banking. And future for next 10 to 20 years, we see again the banking will be driven by consumers. Consumer banking will be major growth drivers. And any bank, any franchisee offering a very good customer service or maybe a convenience to customer, those banks supposed to be the good banks in terms of growth. And interest rates are in favorable zone. Inflation is in benign mode. So next 2-3 years, if macro is good, environment is good. In fact, the profitability, quality of profitability is increased in last 2 years, and profit as a percentage of overall GDP is also increased to around 5% in last 2 years. So these are the healthy indicator. It means overall economy is in much better shape. Balance sheets are basically debt to equity almost, if you see the major corporate ratio except certain infrastructure companies, is almost 15-year low. It means there is no major shocks available in banking. Plus, environment is healthy. There is a sharp improvement in the credit quality and assessment by BFSI segment, and regulator is closely monitoring and following and taking action whenever it finds this need to take it. So environment is good. Growth is obviously incremental GDP. Growth can be captured by BFSI segment also. Let's take it because is it historically nominal GDP and credit growth could be almost similar, and we see at least this much of double-digit growth is possible, and valuations were attractive. So these are the major points.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.